So what we're going to do is start with sheave preparation. Okay, this thing is going to be dirty from my fingerprints for whatever reason. Probably some metal flakes from the machining in it. You want to get all that out, blow it out with air, whatever it takes. And then on your belt surface, what you want to do there for prep is take some brake clean and a clean rag and wipe the belt surface off. Get any fingerprints or anything like that on it off. Just keep your fingers off of it. Now this is a big jar of Tink Seal, but yours is going to come with a little bit, small amount, and you'll just simply take your finger and wipe it around inside. There's a smooth portion in the bottom or a tighter fit. You won't put a lot there, and kind of put it a little heavy in the void. You'll see that. All right, so once you get a decent amount in there, here's the trick, and I'll put some excess in mine so that you get the full effect of this, okay? All right, once you do that, you'll take your collar, set it down on a table, and set this over this and push it through. All right, as it's coming through, you can see that excess grease. So I usually grab it with a rag, pull it on through, and wipe that off. And then we'll put it back on the vehicle. So the greasing part's done. Reason for that is you don't want excess grease on anything flying around, okay? So then you're gonna take your weights and drop them in. Okay, no particular direction order on that. On your cam plate, now mine's already been done, but on your cam plate, and like I said, you might be able to see it in this overhead view, but this edge right here is extremely sharp. And so if you watched our explanation video, we're using a lot of this ramp with this roller, and that thing is so sharp. So what we want you to do is take a flat file. Hopefully you got a flat file. I didn't even have one when I started. I got one for $4 or something from a hardware store. Got another small one off of Amazon, I think. But just take your file and knock that edge off. We're gonna do it. Let's see how you want, which camera we're gonna go. Let's just knock it off, maybe a little bit at an angle. You don't go crazy, and you just smooth it up. And basically you're just taking that edge off so that it doesn't have a sharp edge and cut into anything if, quotation, if it ever moved out that far, okay? So do that all the way around, all right? Now my cam plates had that dry lube that we use in testing. All right, so it's now to put our cam plate slides on. If you'll notice, these slides have a little bitty protrusion, whatever you want to call it, here, and that goes on the bottom. And actually, it's a little bit longer. If you look at it here, it's a little bit longer on the bottom. So the bottom goes first. You might ask yourself, well, why am I paying for more slides when I already got some? We do use OE slides, but there's several processes we do to them, which are kind of a secret. We actually do 2 or 3 things to them and then put our dry lube on them, okay? So once your cam plate slides are on, then you simply drop the cam plate in. As you can see on this machine sheave, it moves free. All right, so this is basically ready to go back on, but what I do at this time is I flip it over and hold it in this hand, and I usually take a little bit more of this and double check that there's none on here. Nothing on here, and it's ready to go, okay? So now it's ready to go. Take our collar and go back to the vehicle.